Hey there, welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, we are going to discuss a quick tip about nonlinear functions questions in the SAT Math test. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and tips for better SAT Math score. First, you have 15 seconds to read and review the question. If you need more time, you can pause the video. To start with this question, you will notice graph discontinuity at x equals to -4. We call this the vertical asymptote. In order to get the vertical asymptote, you need to equate the denominator of the function by 0. Applying this in the function, then x plus b should equal to 0. Then the vertical asymptote will be equal to -b. Equate this with the finding of the graph. Then b will be +4. To get the expression of g of x, you need to substitute x plus 4 instead of x in the function of f of x. Applying this, the only appropriate answer will be C. You can repeat the video for further clarity and check our previous videos for more SAT math questions. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.